Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you a few dies I picked up from Alina crafts. I'm going to share with you these ones first and then I'll continue as I go along. But the first few that I wanted to share with you are these ones right here. I picked up this super cute lantern set. Really cute, and this could be used all year round and especially at Christmas time, I believe. I picked up these super cute little bunny ears, and they're going to be perfect for next year for Easter, but I wanted to grab them before they were gone. And then I picked up these Easter bunnies, and I've shared them before, but I wanted to share with you again because I'm going to show you the project that I created using these. And those are also from her store. And then I've shared these bows, and I've been really loving these bow dies. I've been using them quite a bit on projects lately, so I wanted to share those. All right, so first let me share with you the first little thing that I made. It's a tag, and as you can see, I used those lanterns, and they came out so super pretty. I used those bow dies, added some bling, and then I backed the lantern with some polka dotted vellum, and then I pieced the bottom and the little top part. This part right here is in gold, and then this little part, if I zoom in, you can see the detail of the stitched little dots that come with that die. So really pretty, and it's just a tag, and I figured I needed to make a tag. My sister just moved into a new home, and I figured I could attach this to one of her housewarming gifts, and so that is the back, and I just used one of my house dies from my stash. So really pretty, and I'm loving those lanterns. They're gorgeous, love them. All right, up next, I'm going to share with you this adorable tag that I made. And as you can see, I used one of the Lovely Girls, and those are the cute little bunny ears that I used. There's several different bunny ears that come in that set. But I chose to put this one on, this little girl, and look how adorable that is. So I turned this tag into a shaker, and here is where I use those bunny rabbits, and as you can see, there's a lot of detailing on those dies, so it gives it a lot of interest. And again, using those little tiny bows on the bunny rabbits, I think it came out super cute. I did use some paper that I had picked up from Hobby Lobby, in case you're wondering. I think it's the photo play paper. And then I used another heart die that's in my stash, and then I used some really pretty ribbon and seam binding on the top. And I absolutely love the way this came out. And I just want to say that I was inspired by my friend Kimberly, who is Kim Possible here on YouTube. She had recently made a shaker using this similar tag, and that's what inspired me to make this one. So super cute. I'm loving the little Easter girl, and this will be perfect for next year, but just wanted to show you so you guys can grab these dies while they're still available. But absolutely super cute. All right, moving along. I did pick up these dies. I've shared this one before, and it's out of the packaging, but this is a perfume bottle. And then this right here actually creates some really pretty tulips. As you can see, there's several pieces, but once you cut them all out and piece them together, you can make a really pretty card. So let me show you what that looks like. Here is where I use that perfume bottle, and then that bow die that comes in that set. And then here I pieced together the flowers and just used some other dies in my stash to create a really pretty card. And I just used a word die that says smile. And I think it came out really pretty. And as you can see, I have it all shimmered up, but absolutely gorgeous. So really fun die set. All right, moving along. I did show you guys this particular die the other day when I was showing you how to take apart your dies. This is a little vintage handle. It's super cute. So I want to show you what it looks like cut out. I made a couple of treat bags, and they are unicorn themed. I'm still working on unicorn projects. And basically all I did was I created this treat bag using another die from my stash. Super cute. I think this is a Stampin' Up tag die. And then here I have the handles, and I used some of that bling from the Michael's bling kit that I just recently shared with you guys. So really pretty. Just added some trim to the bottom. Super cute. And then here is the second one that I made right here. And I love the way this one came out. I love the way this handle looks, and it's just absolutely adorable. I used some more dies from my stash. This was the Sizzix die I had recently picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I just layered it on top of the bag and added a little bit of trim to the bottom. Hope that's focused. But really cute. Loving the handle. Super cute. All right, and as you can see, it does come with other little pieces. It comes with these little 2 latches and then these 2 pieces as well. All right, and then up next, I made a couple of cards, and I used this die right here, and it's like a background die. And what I did was I made a couple of cards, and this is the first card that I made. And all you do is you open it up, and I did use a die from my stash to create this little heart card, and it comes with like the little tassels. It's absolutely adorable. When you open it up, and it says love you. So I thought that was absolutely adorable. I didn't do anything on the inside. Actually, I forgot that I didn't use that brick background in this one. So this is this card right here, but I used this background in this card right here. Again, unicorn themed, super cute. Let me just open this up. On the inside it says love you, and as you can see, I cut a heart from that brick background and backed it behind the love you, and I really like the way that that came out. So super cute, fun layering technique, and I really like that die. That is my quick share for you today. I'm gonna have to fix this. Please leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and check the description box below for more information on today's video. Happy crafting. Bye for now.